Hello! I just purchased the Blue Compass microphone boom arm. It's been on back order. I think a lot of people are podcasting and YouTubing. Kind of had a couple of home projects and wanted to tidy up my desk space and have my microphone at the ready anytime I want to use it. And so I did a little research. I saw that there was basically two contenders as far as home use goes, the Rode PSA-1 and the Blue Compass. I was also considering another one by Heil, but ultimately I decided to get the Blue Compass, and while I really enjoy it, there was one problem with it. Right out of the box, I tried to mount the base to my desk and it didn't work. So found out that the lip on the desk is too short. Mine is about 1.25 inches. I have two mounts here, so I'll show you that in just a second. The one I previously purchased from Amazon that was a little more affordable has a little doodad at the end that allows me to get it very close to the wall of my desk that the Blue Compass does not have, and unfortunately the wing nut that's on the bottom hits the wall. It doesn't allow it to turn, so you can't get this base on there without modifying the desk. And it's unfortunate because for me it just didn't work. I did have to engineer something, really easy peasy sort of fix, but it would be nice if they figured out a way to accommodate this sort of desk or this design before purchasing it. It did take me a week and a half to get this, which is not the end of the world, but it did kind of stink to have to think something up and modify the desk. So it would be nice if we could figure out a way to make this clamp just a little bit more universal for those of us that have desks like I do with included drawers. But for the meantime, if you're thinking about getting one of these and you need to modify your own desk, I'll show you what I did. And my guess is the Rode PSA-1 is going to be a better option because it does have a little slide bar at the end that will move and accommodate this. But if you did get a Blue and you do have a desire to have the cleaner looking one, a single tubular bar sort of microphone mount, then this is a potential fix for you. So stay tuned and I'll show you what I did. All right, so this is the clamp for the more affordable initial boom arm that I purchased that broke. So the clamp is great. It fits on here. And the reason it works for me is because it has this this bar here that will go in and out. So as you turn it, I'm gonna unscrew it real quick. So as you turn it, this ball can be pulled in and you can make another quarter rotation or half rotation. Then you can tighten it. If you look at the base of the mount for the Blue Compass, this does not move in at all. So the problem I was having is that it was so close to this wall that these little flanges were hitting it, not allowing it to turn. So what I had to do is I had to add 1 inch to 1.25 inches wood to it, an extension, just so that this mount would fit. Once I did that, it was smooth sailing and it mounted just fine, but unfortunately I had to do that myself. Okay, so if you have ordered the Blue Compass and you're waiting for it to arrive and you have the same sort of desk that I do with included drawers and less than, I would say, a 2 or 2.5 inch lip over the end of your desk, you may have to modify your desk or the clamp somehow. And if you have an idea or you've modified this and it was successful, please let us know in the comments, and we'd love to hear of different ideas on how to do things like this. I had a piece of wood lying around, so I just grabbed a circular saw, modified it real quick, threw in some wood screws, and it was good to go. But thankfully this side of my desk is not seen as you enter the room, so for me, it wasn't the end of the world to put 2 wood screws in, but if you've got a cleaner way to do it, or you've got a way where you don't have to modify the desk, please let us know. And I said please let us know a couple times, but we really want you to let us know. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope everybody's surviving COVID and maintaining sanity, and just be kind to one another. Have a good day.